think this is quite nice too. It's an Opel Cup, like the GSE, a convertible. Very neat. I don't think he'll do anything, but still, let's see him pull out here. Here comes the Mustang. Well, just remember, Mustang's a crowd hunter, eh? Yeah, the responsible one. He's got his kid in the back. You see that? That's a Renault. I can't believe that's a Renault. Oh, his liner's up there. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, here's this one. Wait, I didn't see this Datsun pull in. Okay, here we got the old car coming out here. The Renault MG. There's old Datsun. That's still a Foxy. RS. What a spot right behind him. Old man. I did. conservative, looking after their cars. What is that in the background there? The BM's coming now. It's a big Mercedes. Round two.
You came back.
Round two. GTR with big parts. Io. Huh?
Are you in that way?
Nah? Got a bunch of cars already leaving. Oh, this suppose they've been here quite a while. Keen to see this Ferrari take off. Oh, all these cars already left. Oh no, the A86 is gone. Oh well. That sucks. Got a Mustang, yeah. MR2. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill and wait for them to come up there. Everyone's already leaving. I suppose there's no video this time, so I want to catch everyone peeling out there. Oh, the BM peeled out. Oh no, I think we're gonna go watch that. See, a bunch of cars are leaving now. Oh, it's an old Porsche. I didn't see this one earlier.
Carro de 83. Bendito para esse ano, vai ver?
Existe posição.
I'm gonna get this one.
Okay.
You can practice.
No, sir. You want to practice, shouldn't you?
No, Minnie's already leaving. Oh, there's a few leaving already. I think let's go stand on the other side. I'll go stand on the other side of the road. But see, that's what I want to get. This is something I haven't seen before. Electric. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I think we're gonna have to go stand over there. If everyone's exiting over there, that's what gets the views there. Anyway, yeah, we can have a look at this quickly. I haven't seen one of these before in real life. LC500, yeah. It's definitely one I haven't seen before.
What is that? Agora,
Let's go see if we can catch the people leaving there. But that's what gets this kind of thing cancelled. Sounds like it's got throttle bodies on it. No! Gosh! Wait till it come round. A little bit of history right there. Is this Luigi? Luigi. I'm sure it's named Luigi. Oh wow, look at the Goldwing. That's the nice old Goldwing, eh? And my dad's got that bike, you know? Yeah. Come on, out of all those cars, I just avoided the bike now. I don't think we're going to do that. Just check this thing. Hey? Yeah, that's nice, eh? Oh wait, let's get that one. don't think I'll do anything, do you? Don't know. Eh? Skoda. Skoda.
G-Wagon prato. 700.000 euros, olha.
Check the Hummer.
Isto é Mercedes X, só que ainda
See the Hummer?
Ele já custou comigo 1.000
Oh, he
euros.
pulled in.
Depois ainda guardei outros. Tens que ir a Marvel. Olha, o carro ficou
BMW. What was that noise that time? I have a feeling. I have a feeling.
France, Spain, American, they don't stop all the summer. I'll do the same if you have the money.
Oh my word, what is this? What is that?
Eu fui ao sul de Espanha agora no duas semanas. Portugal já não foi mal, foi que sul de Espanha.
Tiny little car.
Marbella, tanto Ferrari, tanto Lamborghini, tem que levar a Marbella. Já foste a Marbella? Tens que ir à Marina de Marbella. Olha, chips de Lamborghini numa noite 10. Chips de Lamborghini numa noite lá na Marina, só vês eles a passar.
Hey? Oh, no. You sure that's not alcohol? Good, can you make me like, where's my car now? I don't see it. Six. GTI? So the sun's starting to burn me now. You gotta watch out, this one might tip over. Oh, this one's lowered.
Verão foi complicado, bem por lá, bem complicado, a malta não para sossegada. Agora este mês, aqui é o caramulo, ok. Deixa ver os próximos 2 meses que eles vão aparecer.
But no, nothing else. So on. this Opel here. Watch this car. The heck? That one. Sorry, there's something else coming out there. Let's have a look. It's at least Jared. Oh, he's got his kids in the car. So he won't. He's got his kids in the car. Sounds nice though. Anyway. Oh, here's the two-door.